Oh, hello everyone. My name is Jessica, and I'm just here to do a quick unboxing video for guess what it is. And also I already went ahead to read this actually. So this is a shipping from, as you can see, and this is a message with hate. So this is what I'm unboxing today. The Apple Pencil, the second generation. And this is a message for me. Self-sent message. It says you're God's masterpiece created in Christ Jesus. So draw your way into divine greatness. So I chose that quote for me, for myself. And this is the beauty in the package. The beauty in the package. So this is the Apple Pencil second generation. Can't wait to start using this. Okay, so let's open it. Ta-da! Oh no, I wanted it to be like perfectly opened, but anyways, I guess that's as far we can get. My OCDness. Okay, so that should go into the garbage later on. Okay, I'm just gonna put it down so you can see it properly. I'm just excited to use this. I guess this is where I will pull it out. See, I just guessed. Designed by Apple. I love Apple's packaging. It's always beautiful. Always beautiful packaging. I wonder what's in here. It's nice cardboard paper. You can use it to make like building models. Replace the tape. Replace the tape. Not replace the TPU. Anyways, this is what we have. A bunch of papers, which, let's just be real, we never actually read any of this. Okay, to the good stuff. So this is the baby. And guess what? The baby has a name. The baby has a name. So like before I actually did this, I was like, oh, what should I write? I was like, no, let's just write my name. My name, my initials. So now let's figure out how we're gonna use this. Here goes my iPad. All of this should go in the garbage afterwards. Okay, so the big sister is here. This is the iPad Pro, the fourth. So how do we make this work? It's magnetic. Yay, nice. Perfect. Oh, look at that. Just guessed. I always just guessed up. And I always guessed them right. Okay, so continue. Try writing a few words here. Perfect. Yes, I'll do it. So what should I write? My name is June. Actually, my name is not June. My name is Jessica out of school, so Ephrata. Let's put Ephrata. I love the name Ephrata. And I love this pencil. Not Ephrata, Ephrata. Okay, let's just write something nice here. Just love. Love. I say love, 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 love. I love the smoothness of it. very smooth, like very smooth, very smooth. Okay, so it tells me to double tap. Okay, let's just go. So it's done. Okay, so yay, Procreate. And yeah, this is one of my my latest piece, my latest piece of art of peace. So this is my latest art, and yeah, it's for I don't say it's a competition, it's like a contest, and it's for the Clip Studio Paint contest. I have Clip Studio on my desktop, which I got like a long time ago. I actually got two versions of it. I got the Manga Studio 4X, and also I bought the 5, which is now the Clip Studio. So I've been following Clip Studio ever since, because I just love the fact that I can use that app to make comic books and stuff like that, which I haven't actually done, but that's part of my goal in the nearest future. Yeah, so back to Procreate. I actually enjoy this app as well. Like, it's so comfortable to use. Like, I can just draw anywhere I find myself. I love Procreate art, and I just love the fact that I can draw anywhere. I did this art, all of it, on my bed. Like, just did this, just kept scribbling because I just love to scribble and stuff. Just in my comfort zone, anywhere, just draw. As opposed to like drawing with my desktop, like sitting down on a particular place, which I enjoy doing, which I've done like for the most part of my life. But I just find the Apple iPad Pro is like kind of portable to use with a pencil as well. I'm excited to use this. And I love the fact that like it was magnetic just now. Yeah, it just click. Yes, perfect. This doesn't, because it's not it's compatible, but like it's not a perfect fit. This one. But anyways, yes, I can't wait to use this pencil with her big sister. She's a girl too. It's a girl as well. And yeah, I love both apps, Procreate, Clip Studio, all of it. Pretty nice, pretty good to use. And these are my pieces, which I'm still working on. No, this ones are not mine. This, not mine. This came with the iPad, but these ones are mine. I'm just gonna show you like a few of them I've been drawing so far. So I tried to make crazy art stuff, and yeah, just draw the body outline and stuff like that. Inking, this is one of my favorites. Mirabelle, pretty. And this one as well. I don't know if you can see, hopefully you can, but yeah. And yeah, so first I did a video earlier on about drawing, sketching, like my sketch, and I just took a picture of my sketch and then imported it into Procreate and redrew it. And yeah, look at that. It's like my favorite Jacqueline. And yeah, look at the picture here. So there's my art stuff. Just imported it into Procreate and then redrew it, ink it, and colored it. And yeah, so these are my arts with Procreate up, and I'm actually liking them. These two are actually from Clip Studio Paint X, the expert version. I use that to actually do everything, and I use Procreate to put this like sunlight stuff on there, like those additional environment things, the sunlight, the lightning, the rain. As you can see, there's like rain pouring, and yeah, as well as this one too, the rain. Just added some extra stuff. And yeah, so that's it for now. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this pencil, the right pencil with the right up, with the right drawing tool. So that's the unboxing. Very lovely. Very lovely. I actually love. Let's just like do like a nice canvas here. I'll just use this one that I've used before. And let's just use the color, the beach color, blue. And let's just try it. Let's try with the calligraphy because I also want to use it to write. Let's try the script pen. Let's increase this. And look at that. It's like it follows like pressure sensitivity, right? So you can, if you press it, it's gonna be darker, and then see, I love that, which this other pencil doesn't have, so that's why I actually got this. I want to write something. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Apple. Pencil unboxing. Bye for now. Very lovely. Like, I just love the flow. Oh, it's actually charging when it's trying to get there. When two are trying to get out, let no one put us on. Okay, so that's my review. It's nice to hold, and it's heavy. Like, I like the fact that it's heavy. It's just so light. I just like the fact that there is something in my hands, just like a pencil. Like I am holding something basically, and the smoothness as well. So that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like this video. I hope you subscribe to this YouTube channel, and yeah, post your comments down below. Let me know what you think. Do you have an iPad? Do you have a Apple Pencil? Let me know how it's going for you and stuff like that. And I can't wait to draw some more. Alrighty, have a lovely, lovely, lovely day, and bye. Bye, 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 bye. One eye is bigger than the other. I don't know how to do scripts. Okay, bye.